Hello everyone, I'm very excited to test the Minisopuru 13-in-1 triple display docking station with 4K display port and HDMI out. The triple display. I have also USB 2 Gen 1, USB 3 2 Gen 1, 3.5mm jack, USB 2.0, 2.0. This side you have interface for triple display docking. Display 1 HDMI, display 2 display port, display 3 HDMI or display port. Furthermore, they have DC in 12 volt 3 amps and power port to charge a laptop or phone, and then to the host is the main one right here. This is important. So I'm trying to hook it up now to Linux Debian, Microsoft Windows 11 Business Insider Developer Edition, and Mac OS Tahoe 26.1 Beta 5 Developer Edition. And I will give everyone the results, but so far it's a very well made product, and it has very good specs. I mean, this is very exciting.